This video for entertainment purposes only, no financial advice.
Hey guys, Mike here, and today I will show you how to create crypto wallet in MetaMask, just for learning purposes. This video is purely for educational way. First I open browser and go to search engine, type in MetaMask, make sure it's official page. Before downloading any crypto app, always make sure you're on an official website. In this case, that's metamask.io. I always recommend double checking into your search results. There are a lot of fake clones and scam copies. Scrolling down, I see the button Get MetaMask, so I press it. And here I got a first information, like how many users downloaded and other information. So if you downloaded the mobile app, you can also check how many downloads in the app and the reviews on like a Google Play or App Stores. Official apps usually have millions of downloads and detailed feedback from real users. So that's the easiest way how you confirm that you're getting the legit version. Let me come back to the previous page and press Add to Chrome. Then I press Add Extension. Once it's installed, you will see the MetaMask icon on the top bar. That's how you can open it anytime. When you open the MetaMask, you can see the few options. First is like you can import existing wallet or you can create a new wallet. So I'm choosing new wallet, and here also a few choices. So I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm gonna create the password. Something safe but easy to remember. Then I'm gonna confirm and agree the terms if you want to continue. Now you see a secret recovery phrase section, so never show it on camera or share it with anyone. It's like the main key to your wallet. So write it down on the paper and keep it offline. Don't save it on your computer or phone. And there you go, you just created a new wallet. Here, as you can see, I opened the new wallet what I created just right now. And here I have already cryptocurrencies. I can add the popular networks. For example, I wanted to add Binance Smart Chain. And as you can see, it's already added to my list. If you would like to receive crypto, you choose cryptocurrency what you need, press receive button, and here you see two options. Either you can copy or you can get QR with your recipient address. That's it. Same way, if you want to send your cryptocurrency, you press this button, choose cryptocurrency what you need, fill the correct information, and press continue button. In your wallet, you can have a few accounts inside, so it's easy to create a new one, like that. And now I have a few accounts. So that's it, guys, a simple way how to create a MetaMask wallet. Always make sure to use official sources and keep your data safe. That was a quick educational tutorial.